Hey everyone! Do you want to make your trading view charts easier to read by separating each trading day visually? Adding day breaks is a simple way to stay organized while analyzing trends. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add them. So, let's get started. First, open your trading view chart and click the indicators button at the top. Type day breaks in the search bar. Click on the day breaks option from the list to add it to your chart. Now, click the settings icon next to the indicator name. Uncheck other options like session breaks or week breaks and keep only day breaks enabled. That's it. Your chart now shows clean day separators to make daily analysis easier. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.